Rheinmetall introduces a new tank for a new era at Eurosatory 2022 in Paris, the KF51 Panther, which sets new standards in lethality, survivability, and mobility. The KF51 Panther sets new standards in lethality, protection, reconnaissance, networking and mobility, according to Rheinmetall. We've all seen footage of Russian tanks being hit by Bayraktar drones, anti-tank guided missiles and NLAWs in Ukraine. But Rheinmetall has unveiled what it calls a new tank for a new era, the KF51 Panther, which was first presented at Eurosatory 2022 in Paris on Monday. KF, which stands for Ketenfahrzeug, i.e. tracked vehicle, sets new standards in terms of lethality, protection, reconnaissance, networking and mobility, and is the first new tank concept in Europe, outside the Turkish Altay tank and tank Russian T-14 Armata, with unmanned turret. In developing the KF51, Rheinmetall did not just set out to modernize the existing main battle tank concept. This is a complete redesign of the platform from scratch. The KF51 Panther's open and modular NGVA system architecture means it can be easily updated and equipped with the latest capabilities and functions. The Panther fulfills its core domination and destroy capability. The KF51 is the first representative of a new generation of combat vehicles, said Rheinmetall. Soon, future innovations will enable environmentally friendly peacetime operations and further optimization of automation and combat effectiveness. The NGVA's fully digitized architecture means all weapon systems on the KF51 MBT are connected to the commander's and gunner's optics and the fire control computer, enabling hunter-killer and killer-killer functions, and thus instantaneous target engagement, which according to Rheinmetall, in the future, will be powered by artificial intelligence, AI. The main armament of the KF51 is the Rheinmetall 130mm future weapon system. Rheinmetall says further armament options are available to provide concentrated firepower for long-range attacks and against multiple targets. The 130mm gun is said to be designed to fight new versions of Russian armored fighting vehicles such as the T-14 Armata tank. The Rheinmetall Future Gun System, FGS, consists of a 130mm smoothbore gun and an automatic ammunition handling system. Autoloader holds 20 rounds ready. Compared to the current 120mm system, the FGS provides over 50% greater effectiveness over a much longer engagement range. The FGS can fire kinetic energy, key, shells as well as programmable airburst munitions and compliant training shells. The 12.7mm coaxial machine gun complements the main gun. Multiple options for remotely controlled weapons station, RCWS, integration, offer flexibility for drone proximity and defense. The KF51 Panther presented at Eurosatory 2022 is also equipped with Rheinmetall's new remote-controlled weapon station ADER, in variant 7.62. Building on Rheinmetall's joint venture with Israel's UVision, launchers for Hero 120 roaming ammunition can also be integrated into the turret, increasing the KF51's ability to strike targets beyond its direct line of sight. The Panther is designed to control commissioned unmanned aerial vehicles, such as on-board or off-board drones, roaming ammunition and various unmanned ground vehicles. The fully digitized system and common crew station are the enablers for true human-machine team and wingman UGV control that includes capabilities such as air defense and platoon-level drones. Survival and force protection. The Panther has a fully integrated, comprehensive and weight-optimized protection concept, combining active, reactive and passive protection technologies. Without a doubt, the concept's most interesting feature is its active protection against kinetic energy threats, says Rheinmetall. This increases the level of protection without reducing the weight of the system. With lessons learned from the war in Ukraine in terms of the tank's vulnerability to peak attack, Rheinmetall's Top Strike Protection System, TAPS, warded off threats from above, while the Rosy Smoke Escape system concealed the KF51 from enemy observation. Additionally, the tank's digital NGVA architecture allows the integration of additional sensors to detect launch marks. Thanks to its pre-sight detection capabilities, Rheinmetall says the KF51 Panther can recognize and neutralize threats at an early stage. Designed to operate in contested electromagnetic environments, the KF51 is fully fortified against cyber threats.